Gallbladder. Surgical anatomy. Gallbladder. It is a pear-shaped, size is 5 to 12 cm, reservoir, located in a fossa on the inferior surface of the liver. Parts: O fundus, body, infundibulum and neck. Hartmann's pouch is pathological one located in the infundibular region created by gallstones. Gallbladder drains through cystic duct into common hepatic duct to form common bile duct. O it is supplied by cystic artery, a branch of right hepatic artery. Ocalit's triangle is formed by common hepatic duct to the left, cystic duct below, and inferior surface of liver above. Cystic artery originating from right hepatic artery passes behind the common hepatic artery, enters the Calit's triangle to reach the gallbladder. It contains lymph node of Lund, Fred Bates Lund. O often cystic artery, hepatic artery, cystic duct have anomalous positions and anomalous origins. Both gallbladder neck and cystic duct contain mucosal fold called valves of Heister. Extrahepatic biliary tree. O the left hepatic duct is formed by the ducts draining to 3 IV segments of the liver. The right hepatic duct is formed by the ducts draining V, 7, 8 segments of the liver. Both join to form the common hepatic duct, which joins with the cystic duct to form the common bile duct. O common bile duct is normally 10-12 cm in length and 6 to 8 mm in diameter. It joins the major pancreatic duct. The wall of the second part of duodenum to form the ampulla of Vater. Intraduodenal part of common bile duct, CBD, is surrounded by smooth muscle fibrils called a sphincter of Oddi. Blood supply. From gastroduodenal, retroduodenal, posterior superior pancreaticoduodenal arteries. Bile. O daily up to 1000 ml of bile is secreted from the liver which contains water, 98%, bile salts, bile pigments, fatty acids, lecithin, cholesterol, and electrolytes, sodium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonate, calcium, magnesium, with a pH more than 7.0. O main function of gallbladder is to concentrate and store the bile. Capacity of gallbladder is 40 to 50 ml. Fig. 12.1. Anatomy of gall. Bile salts form macella which makes cholesterol soluble. Bile salts, i.e. salts of cholic and chenodeoxycholic acids, with formed deoxycholic acid, in the bowel, enters the enterohepatic circulation to get resecreted in the bile. O bilirubin conjugated in the liver is secreted into the bile, which in the bowel is converted into urobilinogen by bacteria. Urobilinogen gets absorbed in the bowel, enters the liver for resecretion again and part of it is excreted in the urine. Absence of urobilinogen in the urine signifies obstructive jaundice. O in the absence of gallstones or any other disease, bile is sterile. Symptomatic gallstone disease shows positive culture for bacteria, commonest being E. coli and Klebsiella. Oral CHOLECYSTOGRAM, OCG, Graham-Cole test. O this test is done to study function of the gallbladder. O patient is advised to have fat-free diet for 3 days. Previous night 6 tablets of iopanoic acid, Telepac, is given orally. On the day of OCG, plain X-ray abdomen in erect posture is taken to visualize the gallbladder. Later, fatty meal is given and one more X-ray is taken to see the change in the size of the gallbladder, which should be less in size compared to the earlier 5 lm, as the gallbladder contracts on stimulation with fat-rich meal if it is functioning normally. Smooth filing defect signifies non-opaque stone. Note: 1 tablet of iopanoic acid is 500 mg. Contraindications. Patients with serum bilirubin greater than 3 mg% acute cholecystitis vomiting. IVCHOLANGIOGRAM. It is to visualize bile ducts and biliary tree by injecting IV meglumine glycamide, biligram, and taking X-ray abdomen. It can be combined with OCG. Problems with this method are poor visualization, drug reaction. It is not very useful if serum bilirubin is greater than 3 mg%. Endoscopic retrograde CHOLANGIOPANCREATOGRAPHY, ERCP. Through a side-viewing gastroduodenoscope, sphincter of OD is cannulated, and dye is injected. Biliary and pancreatic trees are visualized. It is done under C-arm guidance in sedation like midazolam or propofol anesthesia. Patient is placed in prone position with the head turned towards right. After passing gastroduodenoscope, sphincter is identified and cannulated. Under visualization, 3 ml of water-soluble iodine contrast is injected into the bile duct and pancreatic duct. When cannula goes upwards beside vertebra, it signifies that it is in bile duct, and if cannula goes across the vertebra, it is in pancreatic duct. Indications: malignancy, irregular filing defect, chronic pancreatitis, chain of Lake's appearance, congenital anomalies, stones, stricture of biliary tree, Choldocker cyst, for sampling of biliary and pancreatic juices for analysis and cytology. Brush biopsy from tumor site. Therapeutic uses: extraction of stone from biliary duct, nasobiliary drainage, stenting of tumor in the CBD or in the pancreas, dilatation of the biliary stricture, endoscopic papillotomy. Complications: pancreatitis, duodenal injury, perforation, cholangitis. Bleeding from pancreaticoduodenal artery, sphincter stenosis. Relative contraindications: acute pancreatitis, previous gastrectomy. Percutaneous transhepatic cholangiography, PTC. It is done in case of severe obstructive jaundice under cover of antibiotics and after control of any bleeding tendency, by giving injection vitamin K or FFP transfusion. Indications: failure of ERCP, high biliary strictures, Klatskin tumor, high blocks when external catenal catheter drainage is needed. Stenting in high tumors, with the help of fluid oroscopy, C-arm, US, CT guided, Chiba or Okuda needle which is long, fluid exable, thin, blunt, without a beveled end, 15 cm long and 0.7 mm in diameter, is passed into the liver through right 8th intercostal space in mid-axillary line. Once needle is in the dilated biliary radical, bile is aspirated, sent for culture, cytology, analysis, and then water-soluble iodine dye is injected into the same so as to visualize the dilated biliary radicals, also the site and extent of the obstruction, i.e. tumor, stricture. Procedure can be used for therapeutic stenting across the biliary tree through the obstruction either in the hepatic ducts or in the CBD into the duodenum. It is used whenever ERCP fails, in high strictures, in CHD, in Klatskin tumor, in catheter drainage, external, in high blocks, in stenting high tumors. Prerequisites for PTCO: should have normal prothrombin time, or should be made normal by injection vitamin K or FFP. Should be a last and final inevitable method for evaluation or therapy. Blood for transfusion in case of bleed, consent for intervention in need, antibiotic prophylaxis, are a must prior to PTC. Note: Chiba is an university in Japan. Okuda is the name of person. PTBD is percutaneous transhepatic biliary drainage. It can be external or internal. It is done through PTC. Complications: bleeding, biliary leak and biliary peritonitis, septicemia. Magnetic resonance CHOLANGIOPANCREATOGRAPHY, MRCP. Oh, it is a non-contrast non-invasive imaging method, better than ERCP is diagnostic tool in biliary and pancreatic diseases. Radioisotope scan study. OI-131 Rose Bengal and TC99 labeled immunodiacetic acid, HIDA, PIPIDA, are very useful in diagnosing acute cholecystitis and other biliary disorders, like biliary atresia. Note: HIDA is heparin immunodiacetic acid. PEROPERATIVECHOLANGIOGRAM. Oh, it is done during CBD exploration for stricture, residual CBD stones, atresia, choledochal cyst, cholangitis. Oh, fine polythene catheter is passed into the CBD through cystic duct and dye is injected. Under C-arm image intensifier, any block or stricture can be identified and completion of the procedure can be confirmed. Complications: O infection, O bile leak. Precaution: air should not be present in the syringe, as it may mimic stones. Postoperative T-tube CHOLANGIOGRAM. After choledochotomy, CARES T-tube is placed in CBD for 14 days and then water-soluble dye is injected into the tube and X-ray is taken. Complete free fluid O of dye into the duodenum indicates that there is no blockage. T-tube can then be removed safely. Block indicates residual CBD stones. Residual CBD stones are removed by 673. Dormier basket Fogarty's catheter choledocoscope ERCP. Congenital anomalies of gallbladder. Absence of gallbladder, rare Phrygian cap, cap-like projection and bend over the fundus of the gallbladder. Phrygia is an ancient Asian country, Mongolia, Liberty Cap of French Revolution. It is identified in cholecystogram. It is 6% common. Fig. 12. Double, triple gallbladder. Additional one may be intrahepatic. Cystic ducts may join to form a common cystic duct which joins the CBD, or cystic duct of each gallbladder may join separately into the CBD. Mobile, fluid oating, mesenteric gallbladder. Gallbladder has a long mesentery attached. It may cause torsion. It can cause recurrent abdominal pain. Its removal is easier through laparoscopic or open method. Long cystic duct with low insertion of the cystic duct into CBD near the ampulla. This is important in all pancreatic, biliary, laparoscopic biliary surgeries. Absence of cystic duct with gallbladder directly entering the CBD through a wide opening near infundibulum. Accessory cholecystohepatic duct, duct of Lashka, may be present, 10%, which if not identified and ligated during cholecystectomy will cause biliary fistula, peritonitis due to continuous leak. Cystic artery may originate anteriorly, 15%, from right hepatic artery, from common hepatic artery. Very tortuous hepatic artery in front of the origin of the cystic duct is called as Monahan's caterpillar hump. It is important cause of bleeding in cholecystectomy. There may be double cystic duct or cystic duct may insert high into the common hepatic duct or right hepatic duct.